Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I have the most exciting recipe that you will ever see ever since I started baking and cooking for all of you. It's keto low carb rice. Yes, rice. No cauliflower rice and no shirataki. Absolutely mind-blowing. I've made a plate which you'll see in the video, and let me show you what it looks like. Here it is. Yummalicious in taste, and you are going to love this one. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take 100 grams of paneer. You can also use queso fresco. Please put it into a blender and add to it. We are going to add some coconut flour. So there goes in 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons and 4 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add Greek yogurt. Just 2 tablespoons of that. And half a teaspoon of baking soda, and that goes into the blender, and 1 tablespoon of golden flaxseed meal. Add that in, give it a good blend. At this point it'll be a little rubbly. So now we are going to add water. I've added in 4 tablespoons of water. Make it warm water would work really well. Blitz again in your blender, and here I'm showing you the consistency. It'll be doughy and it'll clump together. Now I've taken a microwave safe container, which is about, I would say, 9 inches by 4 inches. Don't worry so much about the length and breadth of it. We are going to pat it out and pat it down, and take a little water in your hands and pat it down and make it into a thin layer. And as soon as you do that, it's going to go into the microwave for anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. Some people might need an extra tablespoon of water, so they might need a little more of cooking time in the microwave. So don't worry about it again. I'm putting it into the microwave now, and I think 3 to 4 minutes should do the job. This is after 3 minutes. It's a little wet to the touch, so I'm putting it back into the microwave for another 1 minute. Now when I've pulled it out and taken a little corner, what I feel is it becomes little granules. See? That's how it should be. It should be like one piece that's come out. Now I'm going to take this whole piece and put it back into the blender in little bits. Break it up with your hand, put it into the blender. And what's very important now is that we are not going to blend it again, but we are going to pulse it. So give it about 8 to 10 nice little pulses, and you will see it'll become like little rice granules, almost like the way cauliflower rice looks. Now I'm lightly breaking them up with my fingertips, and they are ready in that little box. Yes, keto low carb, a completely new rice. Probably never have you seen this anywhere else on any channel. Now when you want to cook it, just cook it the way you would cook cauliflower rice. Make whatever you want, put it in the last moment, and mix it in. It's already cooked. So thank you for watching, and do share and leave me a comment, and I'm excited for this